Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you science, a new chapter, chapter number 9, and the lesson name is Clothes and Shelter. In this lesson, we will learn about different types of clothes and shelter. So, let's start. Students, you tell me what we need to stay alive. What we need to stay alive? Yes, we all need air, water, food, clothes and shelter to live. They are our basic needs. So, here is Debbie asking something to you. Debbie's time. Draw this, your house, your favorite dress. So, you have to draw in this column your house or your favorite dress. Now, do you know why we wear clothes? What is the need for clothes? Yes, we wear clothes to cover ourselves. They protect us from heat, cold and rain. Okay, we wear different clothes at different times of the year. We wear clothes according to the weather. So students, is this clear why we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover ourselves and they protect us from heat, cold, rain. We wear different clothes and at different times of the year. We wear clothes according to the weather and we also look handsome to wear clothes. So that's why we wear clothes. We wear clothes according to the weather condition. All of you know about season. There are mainly 4 seasons in India: summer, winter, rainy, autumn. So, in summer season, which type of clothes we wear? So, let's see. Because it is very hot in summer. It is very hot in summer and we feel very hot. That's why we wear cotton clothes in it. And why we wear cotton clothes in it? Because they keep us cool. There are different types of summer clothes like frock, t-shirt, hot pant. Okay. Now let's talk about some other types of clothes. Which type of clothes we wear in winter? Because in winter it is very cold. So we wear woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes in winter. And why we wear woolen clothes in winter? Because they keep us warm. Okay, like jacket, some example of winter clothes are jacket, sweater, mufflers, scarf, etc. Now, next is rainy season. In rainy season, what we wear? We wear a raincoat when it rains. Why we wear raincoats? Because it prevents us from getting wet. By wearing this, we didn't get wet. We also wear gumboots and use umbrellas. So in winter season what we wear? Raincoat, gumboots and umbrella. Do you know how do raincoats prevent our clothes from getting wet? Why your clothes not wet while you wearing a raincoat? Because raincoat is made up with other materials like plastic. So that's why our clothes not get wet. So clothes are made up of different materials. Cotton clothes are made of cotton, and from where we get cotton? We get wool, and from wool we prepare woolen clothes. So always remember one thing, we should wear clean and well ironed clothes. So now here is given Davish time. Fill in the missing letter to complete the names of the given clothes. What is this? Pant, P-A-N-T, pant. Here this is a picture of frock, F-R-O-C-K, frock. What is this? This is skirt, S-K-I-R-T, skirt. This is the picture of jacket, J-A-C-K-E-T, jacket. Here is coat, C-O-A-T, coat. What is this? This is a shirt. Spelling of shirt, S-H-I-R-T, shirt. This is the picture of S-A-R-E-E, sari. And last picture is given here. This is a sweater. So spelling of sweater, S-W-E-A-T-E-R, sweater. So here we see that we wear different types of clothes according to the weather condition. And now let's talk about our shelter. What is the meaning of shelter? Shelter is a place where we live in. So what is the need of this shelter? Or you can say that what is the need of a house? We all need house to live in. Why? Because it protects us from heat, cold, rain, wind, animals and thieves. A house protects us from heat, cold, wind, rain, animals and thieves. So there are some features of a good house. Which type of house we can call a good house? A good house has enough doors and windows to allow fresh air and sunlight to enter. What is the feature of good house? A good house has enough doors and windows, and with the help of windows and door, it allows fresh air and sunlight to enter. So, rooms in a house. A house keeps us comfortable. There are many rooms in a house, and each room has its own use. like we rest and sleep. Where we can take rest and sleep? Yes, in our bedroom. We welcome our guests and look after them in the drawing room. In drawing room, we welcome our guests. What we call that room where we brush our teeth and take a bath, you already know. Which room is that? Yes, that is bathroom. We eat our meals in the dining room. Where we eat our meals? In the dining room. We cook food in the kitchen. Where your mother cook food? In the kitchen. So the house in which we live with our family is our home. Okay, what is home? The house in which we live with our family is our home. We must keep our home clean. If we love and respect our family members, our home will always be filled with happiness. We should not dirty our house. We must keep our home clean, and if we love and respect our family member, our home will always be filled with happiness. So students, this is your lesson.